Ever wondered why taking your small business online seems like a daunting task? It's a question that's been asked by countless entrepreneurs, and the answer often boils down to a few common challenges. Firstly, there's the technical aspect. The world of the web can seem like a whole other language to the uninitiated, full of jargon and complex systems. You may be a whiz at your trade, but when it comes to coding, SEO, and analytics, it's easy to feel out of depth. And the thought of having to learn all this can be overwhelming. Secondly, there's the perceived cost. Many small businesses operate on tight budgets, and the idea of spending potentially large sums on a website, digital marketing, and maintenance can be daunting. It's an investment, yes, but one that can feel risky when you're just starting out or running a small operation. Next, we come to security. In an age where data breaches and cyber attacks are all too common, taking your business online can feel like stepping into a minefield. The fear of putting your business and your customers at risk is a legitimate one, and navigating the realm of online security can be a challenge in itself. Lastly, there's the question of benefits. Will going online really help your business grow? Will it attract new customers, boost sales, and improve your bottom line? The uncertainty can make the idea of taking the leap seem less appealing. But here's the good news. Overcoming these challenges is simpler than you might think. How, you ask? Well, that's what we're here to explore. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of online business. Let's demystify the process, break down the barriers, and show you just how achievable it is to take your small business online. And remember, every journey starts with a single step. So let's take that step together. Onward to the digital frontier. Start by identifying your online goals. What do you hope to achieve by taking your business online? This is your starting point. Your goals are your compass, your roadmap. They give you direction and purpose. They are the reason you're embarking on this digital journey. Now, these goals could be as varied as the businesses they represent. Perhaps you're seeking to reach a wider audience, stretching your influence beyond the boundaries of your physical location. Or maybe you're aiming to boost your sales, tapping into the vast consumer base that the online world offers. Customer service might be your priority, providing real-time, effective solutions to your customers' needs. Or perhaps it's about enhancing your brand visibility, making your business a household name. These are just a few examples. Your goals could be different, unique to your business, your vision. Once you've identified your goals, you're ready to take the next step. Your website is your online storefront. It needs to be appealing, user-friendly, and functional. Now let's roll up our sleeves and delve into the process of building your website. You have a few options here. You could hire a professional web developer if you have the budget for it. They come equipped with the knowledge and skills to create a website that's custom-made to fit your business's unique needs. However, if you're starting out and budget is a concern, consider using a website builder. These are online platforms that provide ready-to-use templates which you can customize to suit your style. They're user-friendly, and you don't need any coding skills to use them. There's an array of choices out there, like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress, to name a few. For those of you who love a challenge, you could take the time to learn to do it yourself. There are numerous online resources and tutorials available that can guide you through the process of building your website from scratch. It may take a bit more time, but the skills you'll acquire can be invaluable. Regardless of the route you choose, there are two crucial elements you need to secure: a domain name and a hosting service. Your domain name is your online address, so ideally, it should match your business name. This makes it easier for your customers to find you online. As for hosting, think of it as the plot of land where your online storefront stands. You'll need a reliable hosting service to ensure your website is accessible to visitors at all times. Remember, your website is more than just a place to showcase your products or services. It's a platform where you can engage with your customers, provide them with valuable information, and convince them why they should choose you over your competitors. Building a website might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and tools, it's entirely manageable. And the reward at the end of the road is a digital space that truly represents your business and serves your customers' needs. A well-built website is a powerful tool for your online business. So let's move forward and make your online presence felt. Now that you have a website, you need to ensure people can find it. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Imagine the internet as a vast library, and search engines as the librarians. SEO is the process of organizing your website in a way that these librarians can understand and recommend. It's a way to make your site more visible and attractive to both search engines and potential customers. So let's dive into the basics of SEO. Firstly, keywords. These are the terms that people type into search engines when they're looking for something. By identifying and using relevant keywords in your website's content, you can help search engines understand what your site is about. This can significantly increase your visibility to people who are searching for the products or services you offer. Moving on, quality content. Search engines love fresh, relevant, and high-quality content. Regularly updating your website with informative and engaging content not only keeps your site lively, but also signals to search engines that your site is a valuable resource. This can significantly boost your search engine rankings. Next, backlinks. These are links from other websites to your own. They're like votes of confidence in your site. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears to search engines, which can improve your rankings. Lastly, let's talk about local SEO. This is especially crucial for small businesses. Local SEO focuses on optimizing your site to be found in local search results. This means using location-based keywords, claiming your business on Google My Business, and encouraging customer reviews. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. It takes time and consistency, but the benefits are immense. With good SEO, you can increase your visibility, drive more traffic to your site, and ultimately attract more customers. With good SEO, your business can rank higher in search results and attract more customers. Social media isn't just for sharing cat videos. It can be a powerful tool for your business. Imagine it as a bustling market square, where potential customers are constantly interacting, sharing, and discovering new things. It's the perfect place to showcase your business, engage with your customers, and most importantly, boost your sales. You see, social media allows you to reach a wider audience than ever before. It's like having a megaphone that amplifies your message to thousands, even millions of people. Whether you're a local coffee shop or a global brand, social media gives you the opportunity to share your story, your products, and your values with the world. But here's the kicker. It's not just about broadcasting your message. It's about engaging with your customers, understanding their needs, and building relationships. Social media enables you to have real human conversations with your customers, which can lead to increased loyalty and repeat business. Now you might be wondering, which platforms should I use? Well, that depends on your target audience. If you're targeting young adults, platforms like Instagram and TikTok might be your best bet. If you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn could be the way to go. The key is to understand your audience and go where they are. Remember, social media is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires time, effort, and a clear strategy. But if done right, it can yield significant results. Social media can give your online business a significant boost. Taking your business online might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. We've walked through the process together, breaking it down into manageable steps. First, we started by identifying your online goals, setting the path for your digital journey. Then, we moved on to building your website, the cornerstone of your online presence. This is your digital storefront where customers will learn about your products or services. Next, we covered optimizing for search engines, a crucial step to ensure your website can be found by potential customers. We delved into the power of keywords, meta tags, and quality content. Finally, we explored the world of social media, an invaluable tool to reach out to your audience, engage with them, and build a community around your brand. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, so keep learning and adapting. With these steps, you're well on your way to making your online business a success.